In this video, we're going to learn how to calculate the median. So the first thing we need is a set of numbers. So here we have a random set of numbers, 2, 8, 5, 12, 3, 10, 5, 7, and 9. Now calculating the median, think of it like the median in a highway. It's the middle. So the first thing I need to do is arrange my numbers from least to greatest. And this is a way of organizing it, making it significantly easier to find the median. Then I'm going to literally scratch off the numbers from both sides. So you'll see I have the outside numbers scratched off, and I'm going to keep doing this until I get all the way to the center number. And here you can see the center number of my data is 7. But this doesn't always work, because the reason I was able to have a center number here is because there was an odd number of numbers. I had 9 numbers, and therefore the middle number was the 5th number. But consider the case where I have an even number of numbers. Here I have 8 different numbers in my sequence. If I scratch off the numbers from the outside working my way in, you'll notice that once I get to the middle, I don't have one number, I actually have 2. Well, in this case, I need to take my 2 numbers in the center, I need to add them together, and I need to divide them by 2. And what this effectively does is average the 2 numbers out. So here, 5 plus 7 is 12, and 12 divided by 2 is 6. So in the second set of numbers, the median is actually 6.